Philadelphia. We're at the 2018 Automation Fair event where all the best companies in industrial automation gather in one place so we can see their innovative technologies. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor with the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network Magazine. One of those top companies is Grace Engineered Products. I'm here at their booth and I'm talking with Drew. So Drew, for those who aren't familiar with your company, tell us what you do.
Grace keeps people safe and assets secure. We've been a Rockwell and Compass partner for over 20 years now, and we're proudly wearing our 20-year badges.
And you focus on electrical safety.
Electrical safety, and today we're going to be talking more about the reliability of factories that we're a new space that we're entering into.
Okay, tell us more about that.
We're proud to announce we released here yesterday our brand new GraceSense predictive maintenance solution. And it's really comprised of a couple different parts. The first part are our field mount nodes. Today on this motor we're monitoring 3-axis acceleration as well as temperature. We're locally edge processing that data and crunching it so it's actually actionable. We're talking Zigbee up to a cloud gate. That cloud gate speaks LTE and Wi-Fi and is going up into our cloud, which is hosted on AWS and Azure. This allows you to do all sorts of alerting, alarming, data analysis and visualization, as well as keep your plant up and running better.
So your market is pretty much anyone who uses electrical equipment.
We work with the largest Fortune 2000 industrials across North America, and if you've got motors, you can use our stuff, or pumps, or all sorts of industrial equipment.
And I see you have an iPad here in your hand. How do you use the iPad with the system?
So easily we have our dashboard, and our dashboard's displaying the 3 nodes that we actually have up and running today. One is our vibration and temperature node, and we can go ahead and dial into that vibration, and you can see we have 3-axis acceleration. We go ahead, click on that, pulls up our data trends, and we can go see what's been going on for the last hour. We can set alerts and alarm based off of thresholds here, dial in, see what's going on at certain times and what might be causing that. We can also go ahead and quickly set up alerts and alarms, and we even can add in remediation steps that would have, for instance, go get a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver and put a photo of the specific screwdriver that you need to access that piece of equipment. So step-by-step guides. Qualified workers are hard to find today. This can become another member of your maintenance team.
Well, this is a significant step for Grace and a nice product, so there's so much more to learn about it and the other products offered by Grace. So go to the URL you see on your screen and find out how they can help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2018 Automation Fair event. I'll see you next time.